In this video, I'm going to share with you an easy but incredibly effective journaling technique you can use for self-improvement. Hi, it's Sam. Welcome to Knowledge Node. In this episode, we're talking about journaling. So why is journaling such a powerful habit for self-improvement? And that is because it is a key part of the process of self-growth, and that is self-reflection. So if you have some sort of means, such as journaling for regular self-reflection, then your personal growth and your self-development is going to skyrocket because you're able to look at what is going wrong and what is working in a structured way. So what I'm going to share with you today is just one simple 3-step process that you might want to use to start a daily journal habit off. It's the one that I've been using, and it's just a combination of different things that I saw and tried out myself and come together with this 3-step process. Is this what works for me on a daily basis that I can do really quickly and still get good results out of? Although the focus of this video is daily journaling, there's also some really powerful exercises you can do less frequently that really take your journaling to the next level, help you with problem solving and getting deeper introspection, which can help you guide your life by yourself. Effectively, you start to take on the role of coaching yourself. So I'll be sharing some of these exercises in future videos to come, but for today, let's get straight on to the 3-step technique that I use for daily journaling. Step 1 of the method is a review of the day. So it's a bit like pros and cons, but the way that I word it in my journal is what went well and what could improve. And in this area, you want to focus on the lessons that you learned from the day. So not just what went well in terms of what made you happy, something nice that someone might have done for you. That's not what you want to focus on in this part. What you want to focus on is yourself. So what did you do that works really well that you could apply again? And alternatively, what did you do throughout the day that didn't go so well? Why was that? And what could you do to improve it the next time? So what went well and what could you improve? Step 2 of the process is gratitude. So in this part, you can do what I said you can't do in the first part, which is you can start writing down things that were nice that happened to you during your day. But what you want to do with this is be specific and, like I said, have it from the particular day. So you don't want to just say vague things you're grateful for, like I am grateful for family, unless someone in your family did something really nice for you that day. Then by all means, write it down. But what you want to do is get into the habit of finding things from every single day that you're grateful for. The more specific, the better, and also it's really important if you try and connect with the feeling of gratitude rather than just writing it down coldly, which is hard, but it takes practice, something you can develop, and it will improve your mental health and also train your subconscious mind to start looking for more positivity during your day. Step 3 is simply focusing on the next day. So I just write the heading tomorrow, and then I'll do a few bullet points on things that I want to complete or things that I want to focus on the next day. So it can be a literal task, like something you started and didn't complete, or just something else that you thought of while you were journaling you want to complete tomorrow. Or it can be something a bit more abstract, something that you want to focus on mentally during the day. So one that comes up for me every now and again is that while I'm doing my review of the day, I realised that I was quite critical of myself during the day, quite hard on myself to the point where it wasn't very productive. It didn't really help me much. So what I'll do is I'll just leave a little reminder in my tomorrow section to be a bit more kind to myself on that day. It can be literally that simple, but little things like this, if you look at your journal first thing in the morning, can really help you out. And that's it. That's step 3 of the process. One more thing that I would say is it does help to have some sort of review process, maybe at the end of the week, maybe less frequently than that, maybe more frequent than that, but where you look over multiple days or weeks at a time, and then you can start to spot trends in your review of the day section. So you can start to see what you're doing over time that seems to be having a positive impact, and what you seem to be doing over time that you may have not noticed seems to be a pattern, a regular pattern that you can then adjust and improve. That's my tips for journaling today. This is just one suggested method. There's so many out there. You can do exactly what I did and just try out a few different methods and then combine what's worked for you and then strip it down so it's really concise, something that you can do every single day. And then supplement this with more in-depth journaling exercises that you can do on a less frequent basis. And some of these I'll be sharing with you, the ones that I've used and found effective, in future videos to come. So look out for those, and thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and share it to anyone else that you think might find it useful. And if you like the content on this channel, then please subscribe. There'll be plenty more to come. And other than that, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next week.